Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hi friends, once again welcome back to Electropixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 32-inch Samsung LED TV. Here in this TV the complaint is no graphics problem due to Vgh voltage drop inside Cof of the panel. See friends, this is the COF IC and this is the Cof IC number. Using this model number now we need to find its datasheet for bypassing the missing Vgh voltage. See friends, now I soldered a jumper wire from Vgh test point to the multimeter probe. Now let's touch the Vgh test point in that Cof using this. See friends, while touching here you can notice that the picture comes and the TV is working. Now we need to bypass the Vgh voltage using a jumper wire to this test point. See friends, finally display comes. You can see some lines on the display, it's because of main source Cof damage. Otherwise rest of the picture is okay. So that's it, hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topic. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.